Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. I am Emma, and today we are diving into one conversation skill that will change everything for you. Whether this is your first time here or you have been following our journey, welcome. Each episode focuses on a complete standalone topic, so you can jump in anytime and get massive value immediately. For those who have been with us, wow, your progress has been incredible. I have been reading your comments, and you are not just learning anymore. You are thinking in English. And some of you even dream in English. That is absolutely amazing, and I am so proud of you. For our newcomers, you are about to discover something magical. Today's topic will give you the confidence to start conversations with anyone, anywhere in the world. Topic of the day: weather. Here is why this matters. About 70% of all English conversations start with weather talk. It is not just sun or rain, it is your master key to connection. Your Uber driver, the coffee shop line, new co workers, even first dates. Weather talk is your social superpower. What makes today special? Most English lessons teach you grammar rules and vocabulary lists, but weather conversations are different. They are short, flexible phrases you can use in hundreds of mini conversations every single day. Here is the plan. First, we will go through 40 essential weather sentences that native speakers use all the time. Then I will show you how to combine them into natural conversations. Finally, you will write your own weather story in the comments. And yes, I will personally give you feedback. Pro tip: this video is organized with clear chapters in the description. You can jump to any section and practice exactly what you need. Same proven method. Look at the images. Think English directly. No translation. Your brain is stronger now. Trust it. Ready to master the secret language that connects all English speakers. Let us go. Round 1. Weather shadowing practice. Part 1. Weather conversation starters. Nice weather today, right? Nice weather today, right? Nice weather today, right? What is the weather like outside? What is the weather like outside? What is the weather like outside? How is the weather treating you? How is the weather treating you? How is the weather treating you? Beautiful day, is it not? Beautiful day, is it not? Beautiful day, is it not? Can you believe this weather? Can you believe this weather? Can you believe this weather? Looks like it might rain. Looks like it might rain. Looks like it might rain. The weather has been crazy lately. The weather has been crazy lately. The weather has been crazy lately. Perfect weather for walking. Perfect weather for walking. Perfect weather for walking. Part 2:2. Describing current weather. It is sunny and warm today. It is sunny and warm today. It is sunny and warm today. The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright. It is a lovely day outside. It is a lovely day outside. It is a lovely day outside. It is raining pretty hard. It is raining pretty hard. It is raining pretty hard. It has been pouring all morning. It has been pouring all morning. It has been pouring all morning. It is drizzling a little bit. It is drizzling a little bit. It is drizzling a little bit. The rain just started. The rain just started. The rain just started. It is cold and windy today. It is cold and windy today. It is cold and windy today. It is freezing out there. It is freezing out there. It is freezing out there. It is hot and sticky outside. It is hot and sticky outside. It is hot and sticky outside. The heat is getting to me. The heat is getting to me. The heat is getting to me. It is nice and cool today. It is nice and cool today. It is nice and cool today. There is a nice breeze. There is a nice breeze. There is a nice breeze. Part 3. Weather changes and predictions. The weather is changing fast. The weather is changing fast. The weather is changing fast. It is starting to get cloudy. It is starting to get cloudy. It is starting to get cloudy. The sky is clearing up. The sky is clearing up. The sky is clearing up. It is warming up nicely. It is warming up nicely. It is warming up nicely. The rain should stop soon. The rain should stop soon. The rain should stop soon. It is supposed to rain later. It is supposed to rain later. It's supposed to rain later. I hope it does not rain. I hope it does not rain. I hope it does not rain. The weather forecast looks good. The weather forecast looks good. The weather forecast looks good. They say it will be sunny tomorrow. They say it will be sunny tomorrow. They say it will be sunny tomorrow. Part 4. Weather reactions and opinions. What terrible weather we are having. What terrible weather we are having. What terrible weather we are having. I love this kind of weather. I love this kind of weather. I love this kind of weather. At least it is not snowing. At least it is not snowing. At least it is not snowing. Perfect weather for staying inside. Perfect weather for staying inside. Perfect weather for staying inside. This heat is unbearable. This heat is unbearable. This heat is unbearable. Part 5. Weather actions and responses. Better grab an umbrella. Better grab an umbrella. Better grab an umbrella. Do not forget your jacket. Do not forget your jacket. Do not forget your jacket. I got soaked in the rain. I got soaked in the rain. I got soaked in the rain. Let us wait until it stops raining. Let us wait until it stops raining. Let us wait until it stops raining. Time to turn on the air conditioning. Time to turn on the air conditioning. Time to turn on the air conditioning. Amazing. You have just mastered 40 weather expressions that cover every situation. Now it is your moment to shine. Go back to round 1, but this time with no text, no voice, no help. Turn off the sound. Look at each image and describe the weather in English by yourself. Notice how many sentences come to your mind. And remember, think in English and speak in English. The secret is that this is where your brain stops translating and starts thinking in English. Round 2, your practice time. Ready? Let us dive in. Incredible. You have just mastered 40 weather expressions that cover almost every situation. Now, before we jump into our story practice, there are a few tricky extra expressions that automatic translation often gets wrong. Let me help you avoid these common mistakes. Some expressions might look easy, but if you try to translate them word by word, they can sound very strange. The heat is getting to me. Do not translate it as the heat is coming to me. The real meaning is that the hot weather is making me uncomfortable. I got soaked in the rain. Do not translate it as I got soaked inside the rain. The real meaning is that I became completely wet from the rain. It is hot and sticky outside. Do not translate it as it is hot and adhesive outside. The real meaning is that it is hot and humid and the air feels uncomfortable. The weather has been crazy lately. Do not translate it as the weather has been insane recently. The real meaning is that the weather has been very unpredictable or changing a lot. These are natural expressions that native speakers use every day. Do not worry about the literal translation. Focus on understanding the feeling and the situation behind each phrase. Now let us see these sentences come alive in real conversations. Here is how natural English speakers connect these phrases into flowing stories. Round 3. Simple weather story practice. This morning I woke up and checked my phone. The forecast looked good, so I thought, perfect weather for walking. But when I looked outside, I noticed it was starting to get cloudy. The sky looked grey and heavy. I said to myself, looks like it might rain. So I decided to grab an umbrella just in case. At the bus stop, my neighbour smiled and said, nice weather today, right? I laughed and pointed at the clouds. The weather has been crazy lately, I said. She agreed and said, I hope it does not rain during lunch. What is the weather like at your office? By 11 in the morning, it was drizzling a little bit. My coworker looked out the window and sighed. What terrible weather we are having, she said. But I replied, at least it is not snowing. And you know what? This weather is perfect for staying inside and getting work done. Around noon, the rain got heavier. It is raining pretty hard now, I told my colleague. Good thing I brought my umbrella. I opened it up and stayed nice and dry. She complained. I am so tired of this rain. Then, around 2 in the afternoon, something amazing happened. The sky started clearing up. The sun came out, and I thought, finally, some nice weather. It was warming up nicely too. There was even a nice breeze. Walking home, I met my friend at the coffee shop. She said, can you believe this weather? It was raining this morning. I answered, the weather is changing fast these days. But you know what? I love this kind of weather. It keeps life interesting. By late afternoon, it was sunny and warm. Beautiful day, is it not? Said the barista. Yes, I said. It is getting quite warm now, but it is so much better than the morning rain. Now I always check the forecast and keep an umbrella handy. You never know what the weather will do next. Perfect. Did you notice that I used about 24 sentences from our list of 40? The story flows naturally with simple connectors and real life situations. Now your turn. Write your weather story in the comments. Talk about today, yesterday, or any special memory. Use connecting words like but, so, then, and because. Keep it natural. Keep it personal. Amazing work today, everyone. You have just unlocked the secret to starting conversations with anyone, anywhere in the world. Weather talk is not just small talk. It is your bridge to deeper connections. You are no longer just learning English. You are living it. A few days ago, you might have been translating in your head. Now you are thinking, speaking, and even dreaming in English. That is incredible progress. These 40 expressions are now part of you. Use them with confidence. Every time you step outside, every time you meet someone new, you have the power to connect instantly. I cannot wait to read your weather stories in the comments below. Show me how naturally you can weave these phrases together. The next episode is day 6, where we will master another essential conversation topic that will take your English to the next level. You are not just learning a language, you are transforming into a confident English speaker. Keep that momentum going. You have been listening to Emma from Easy English Conversation. Keep shining, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone. Bye.